by Lila Herrmann. As I contemplate the life of Jesus, I recognize His strength in my strength, His life in my life, His power in my power. I may at times think of surrender as an act of weakness, a sign of giving up. Surrender can also be my greatest strength, for it is in surrendering that I let go and I let God. I surrender, knowing divine order is at work in all circumstances. I open my heart to the universe to receive my highest good. It is easy to get caught up in the demands of life, believing I must perfectly orchestrate every detail to get the outcomes I expect or think I need. I may find myself wallowing in stress and worry if things don't go the way I want. It is then I find my inner strength and I let go. Like a novice climber learning to release his or her grip and rappel down the cliffside, I cannot yet feel solid ground beneath my feet, but I know it is there. I trust in divine order. I am strong enough to let go. I surrender and know that all is well.